Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Tuesday, March 26, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading on April and June with 48% and 10% of the total premiums paid. All of the rest of the months are bearish readings, but the important ones, May, we have 26%, and July, we have 15% of the total premiums paid. Basically, we have a neutral reading here on the dollar-weighted put-call ratio for the VIX. From an all-time closing high at 1565, so we're going to see if tomorrow we're going to have that new closing high for SPX. If we go for the Qs, here we have the Qs chart. We were up today 0.5%, sorry. And we continue to be on our channel. Apple again is bringing up the Nasdaq. It's not going higher. So basically we're flat here. I continue to be bullish. I think the Nasdaq eventually is going to catch up with the other markets. IWM. Here we have the IWM. 0.3% up for the day. As you can see here, pretty flat. Nothing going higher. I think we're eventually going to start going higher. We're consolidating around this 94 level. We talked about that yesterday. And go higher. So I'm bullish on all of them. SPX, the Qs, and the Russell. Now let's go for GLD. Here we have the gold chart. And we were down 0.33% for the day. We've been going down for the last couple of days here, as you can see here. I continue to be bearish here. I think we're going to go lower. We need to break that 54 level and then try to go lower. So eventually, I think we're going to the 149, 148, but looks like we're going to hang out around the 150s for a while now. So neutral to bearish on GLD. SLV, I am bearish on SLV here. It's been consolidating around this period, around this level here. And as you can see here on SLV, the important thing here to notice is that you could basically flat for the last 2 months here, or a month and a half, and I think we're eventually going to go to the 26-25 level. So that's what I'm looking here for SLV. Now going to stocks. Here we have the Apple chart. We were down 0.5% today with a very strong market, but well, the important thing here, we're still above this 50-day moving average. That's gonna be my line in the sand. 496.94. That's going to be the important level to watch and to hold. You can see here today's volume was pretty low, around 10 million contracts. The 20-day moving average is 16, so very light volume today on Apple. I think we're going to go higher. We're just consolidating here before our next move to the 484 level. Google. Here we have the Google chart, up 0.34% for the day. We continue to hold this 800 level, 812 right now. I think we're consolidating. We're eventually coming to test this 50-day moving average, but that would be when it's higher, around the 800 level. So I think we will consolidate this period, maybe up, down, pretty choppy, so I wouldn't trade it unless we do a new high. Amazon. Here we have the Amazon chart. We were up 1.7% for the day. We're starting to turn around after holding the 100-day moving average. As you can see here, we hold this last couple of days. I thought we were going to come and test this 200-day, but looks like first we're coming to this 50. I have not been trading Amazon. It's been pretty choppy lately, so nothing here for me. Caterpillar. We have the Caterpillar chart here, pretty bearish on Caterpillar. As you can see here, we were up almost 0.5%, but we are below this 200-day moving average, and I think we're eventually going lower to the 83, 81 level for Caterpillar. And last chart we're going to look at is MasterCard. Today we have a breakout for MasterCard. Yesterday we had it for Visa, and today we have MasterCard. You can see here breaking out the range. We have some good volume, around 910,000, and the moving average for this is 500, so we have almost 2 times the daily volume for a MasterCard today on this big breakout. I'm bullish here. You could add around 30 points. My target would be around 565 on the next couple of months. So I'll give it 3 months for the 563, and that's gonna be my eventual target here.